time for What the Heck Wednesday. Hi, I'm Lacey Langford, the military money expert, and it's time for What the Heck Wednesday. For this week's What the Heck, I have a special guest from USAA because recently I heard that USAA is offering to waive the origination fee on their VA loans through USAA's bank. So I thought to learn more, I'd bring in a subject matter expert. So Travis Peace from USAA is here today. Travis Peace is an executive director of product management at USAA. He's also a Navy veteran. Woo-hoo. He used to be a nuclear engineer on aircraft carriers. So please help me welcome Travis. Hello, how are you doing?
Hi, Lacey. I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
I really appreciate you coming here today. So you can help me get more information about this. So we'll jump right in. What the heck is this special offer that USAA has?
Sure. Good question. So let me start off with the specifics of what a VA loan is, just so this offer will make a little bit more sense. So typically, a borrower will be able to get a mortgage loan with a lender, and they'll get what's known as a conventional loan. And so a conventional loan is backed up by Fannie and Freddie. Those are government entities, and there's certain rates, certain qualifications that apply to just the general population. Veterans, however, have access to what's known as a VA loan, which is backed up by the VA. And what that allows lenders to do is to give what are generally lower rates to veterans. You don't have to put any money down for a VA loan. You can take up to what's called 100% financing. And the guidelines on who's qualified for a veteran loan are a little bit different from the general population. So it's definitely worth taking advantage of if you are a veteran that's looking into a VA loan. Now, USAA, we pride ourselves on facilitating the financial security of the military community and their families, and being able to offer VA loans for our veterans is something that's core to our mission. And so we want to be the provider of choice for our members who are looking for VA loans, and not just our members. I'd say anybody who's out there who's eligible for a VA loan, whether you're a member or not, you could be eligible for a USAA membership. So that's the great thing about a VA loan is you don't even have to be a member per se to talk to us and call us and get information about a VA loan. We'll establish membership for you as you go through the process, but it's a great benefit for our members is just VA loans in general. And what we're doing right now through the end of March is we're waiving origination fees for all VA purchase loans. VA purchase loan is a loan a VA loan that you get if you're buying a home. So if you're looking to apply for a loan, it's a great time to call us right now. Take advantage of this offer. And what an origination fee is that's typically the fee that a lender will charge a borrower just to pay for back office and all the costs associated with with generating a mortgage. But like I said, USA, we have other priorities other than just making money in mind. So we're trying to pass those benefits on to our membership by waiving this fee and trying to give our members who are trying to purchase a new home as much financial flexibility as we can give them during this time that's often a very significant emotional and financial decision that they go through.
Yes, I'm always, as a financial coach, preaching the importance of spending less than you make in savings. So I'm really excited about this because I feel like it's really going to save service members and their families a lot of money if they can actually, get accepted for this. Also, I'm really excited that you don't have to be a member to apply. Is that correct? I just want to be sure on that.
That's right. You can, technically to get a mortgage or get any product at USAA will establish membership for you, but the best way to determine you don't have to be an existing member to get this offer. All you have to do is just be eligible for a VA loan, which the VA establishes those guidelines for us. If you're eligible for a VA loan, we'll originate your loan for you and then put you through membership while you go through the mortgage process, which is a 5-minute process.
Okay, yeah. So if they're applying, then you kind of help them facilitate the VA thing and confirm with the VA that they are eligible.
That's right.
So if they want to do this, where do they start? Like, where do they go after they hear this?
Sure. So a great place to go is usaa.com/mortgages, or you can call us at our number 1-800. You can call the general USA number 1-800-531-USAA and go through. You can just say you want to talk to a loan officer, That's a great place to start, is just to call and talk about rates. We can help you get pre-qualified. It usually takes only about 5 minutes or so. We have a great digital pre-qualification process for our members that takes, like I said, just a couple of minutes. So that's usually the best place to start. Call, talk to a loan officer. Again, that number you can call is either 1-800-531-USA, or you can call a loan officer directly at 1-800-531-0341. Or you can simply just go online at usa.com/mortgages and get information on rates. We have a lot of great content on there of the videos and articles. We have a calculator on there, and you can take the steps to the first step in the home buying process, which is to see how much you pre-qualify for.
Okay, that's good. So there's many different ways they can do it. My husband and I have used for home loans that we've gotten through USAA, the real estate rewards. Is it real estate rewards network? And
network? Yeah.
Yes. So you said that you have the calculator on there. What are some other resources people can use, that whether they're a first-time buyer or a seasoned buyer, that they can learn more? Because I think that is all sometimes what blocks people from making a decision or taking action, is the fear of the unknown. They don't know where to go, that type, or what to do.
Sure. So there's two primary people you're going to be interacting with, and that we all need to help go through the home buying process, which I'm sure you're familiar with. One is your loan officer. So that's, you can call us. We can get you information on your financing, talk about rates, talk about, what the down payments are going to be and how all those things work together. That's a loan officer that you're going to be talking to. The other individual that's going to be important through this process is a real estate agent. And I'm glad you brought up the Real Estate Rewards Network, because that's USAA's service that we offer our members. It's totally free. You call us, we'll get you in touch with a USAA preferred real estate agent. And then also, what's the great part of that program is you'll get a cash bonus when you close on your new home, which typically is in the neighborhood of $2,000 or so. So USAA, like I said, we have, our members' financial security is top of mind. So we try to do whatever we can to help them, through that process. So you can call us, use our Real Estate Rewards Network to get an agent, get cash back after using, one of our top rated agents. And you can call us to talk to a loan officer to talk through the rates and the financing aspects of buying a new home.
I think that's really great. Like, the two programs there will be a huge savings for people going in to, especially if you're a first time home buyer and you're trying to, furnish a house. You don't want to be house poor. So having, some,
Sure.
Extra cash to fund it is going to be a great benefit. So I was going to ask, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Oh, I'm sorry. If you were to use USAA for both those services, you're not required to use both services together. You can use just our mortgage or just our real estate agents. But typically, if you're buying a $250,000 home with it, and you're using a VA loan, with this VA offer we have right now, you're going to save about $2,000 through that. And with the rewards network, you're going to get about a $2,000 savings, or a $2,000 check in the mail when you close. So all together, using USAA for your mortgage and to find an agent, you can get, about $3,000 to $4,000 when you need it the most, moving into a new home. As I'm sure you're aware, there's all kinds of finance, all types of bills that stack up. And so getting a few $1,000s will, can be very helpful during that time period.
Yeah, that's definitely a big chunk of change to help out. So, well, I know a lot of people know USAA is a big name in banking and insurance, but I want to know if there's like maybe one thing that, because I've been with USAA since I got my learner's permit, so it's been a while. But is there like one like fun fact about USAA, just for fun, something maybe people don't know that's cool about USAA?
Sure. So, we're talking about Real Estate Rewards Network. So just the size of that, USAA sells about 200 homes any given day through that program.
Oh, wow.
And the cash bonuses that we give through that program last year were in excess of $50 million is how much we gave our members. So I think that, some of these programs that USAA has available for our members, there's just so many great things that our members can get through USAA. I'm glad we're having this conversation because, oftentimes, mortgages and getting a real estate agent, we would hope that all of our members are aware of those programs, just because of the scale and the size and the financial benefit that our members can get by utilizing them.
Wow, that's 200, like around 200 a day. That's a lot. Like, I didn't realize, and that's a lot of money. So that is very interesting about USAA. I don't think a lot of people know that that's how many people kind of they're helping and changing lives and being with them through. I mean, that's a big thing, buying a home, especially a first-time home buyer. That's a very special event. So I think that that's a big deal.
Yeah, and again with USAA, talking to our loan officers. We're gonna make sure you're getting the right information. We pride ourselves on being a trusted advisor, so you can really trust the folks at USA to give you the information and the guidance that you need through that. It's a significant problem. Everybody, even if you bought a home two or
Right.
three times, it doesn't really get easier. It's still a difficult
Yeah.
decision to go through, difficult process to go through. So it's really helpful to have a partner at your side that you can trust to make sure that you're not getting taken advantage of
Right.
while you go through this emotional process of buying a new home. You're picking up your family and moving them. You want to make sure that your finances are the least of your concern as you go through that.
Right. Yeah. And on top, it's a huge financial commitment. So you definitely want, any type of savings you can get, like keeping your costs low, I think is really important. So I think
Right.
this is a great offer. So I really appreciate you. I always want to remind people, if you want to get on a special offer, that don't forget it, you have to do it before March 31st. Is that correct?
That's right. Yes.
Does
And
that
if
mean you
you're
have
ever,
to apply before March 31st, or it has to be completed before March 31st? Because there's going to be
yep,
some
to
people
submit
that are
your
kind of close.
application. Yeah. Great. No, great point of clarification. You have to apply before March 31st. So
Okay.
even if you're looking to close on your home after then, as long as you call us and apply before March 31st, you'll get the benefit of that offer. And
Okay.
I will say also that anybody who already has a VA loan with USAA and they're looking to lower their interest rate and refinance, you can call us and same thing. It's we waive the origination fee for refinances also.
Oh, wow, that's valuable intel. So I didn't realize that. Okay, so if you're refinancing, you can get that waived. I know a few people just off the
Right.
top of my head that would be good for. So, okay, that's great. I'm glad you finished with that. That's a good way to finish strong. Okay. So I really appreciate you being here today. And for those people who don't know, you'll probably see some outtakes, but this has been a little hiccup trying to get on. So I appreciate you doing this video with me. So
Sure, absolutely.
if
Thanks for having me again.
Oh yeah, thank you. So that's What the Heck Wednesday. If you want to learn more about money and military, head over to laceylangford.com and sign up for my emails. Thank you for watching. Hi, I'm Lacey Langford, and I'm the military money expert. And wait, sorry, I gotta start again.